We are drivers. We got 19 events this season, 9 grassroots events, and 10 competitions. Drivers from all over the Northeast. We are Lock City Drift.
2019, let's go. Fitted cap, white beater, chain 30 inches. Denim jeans, Gucci belt, hammer tucked in it. Salvatore high top, something to impress. Just in case something pops, keep a vest on my chest. Fast cars, fast broads, I live a fast life. If I ain't on the I-95, I'm on the mass pipe. I stay making moves, in and out of town. Bounce from state to state like Tupac, I get around. No matter where I go, I'm known to shut it down. I rep the East Coast though, that's my stomping grounds. Murder master routing that with dirty jerks for sure. Philadelphia, DC, Baltimore. Can't forget about Connecticut and Rhode Island. You see me, I be on the road wildin'. Like Gotti, I'm a boss that love the floss. Turn my swag on now, I ain't never turn it off. Ever since a young one, I've been fresh to death. Earrings, bracelets, medallions on my chest. And when it comes to V's, best believe we push the latest toys. Big boys, fully loaded trunk full of noise. Candy paint, designer shoes. Press a button, 10 seconds, down goes the roof. Whip through the trap, shades on, hat low. Lean back in my seat, no fat Joe. Keep the latest LBL banging on repeat. You gon' hear me before you see me coming up the street. The 6-speed keeps heads in the city turning. 400 horses sitting still sounds like a kitty purring. When I pull up on the block, hit it ass stunting. Like the homie A would say, you can't tell me nothing. When I pull up on the block, hit it ass stunting. Like the homie A would say, you can't tell me nothing. When I pull up on the block, hit it ass stunting. Like the homie A would say, you can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Like the homie A would say, you can't tell me nothing.